Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to search for Discord servers. Finding Discord servers can help you join communities that match your interests, hobbies, or games. The simplest way is to search by using Discord server directories or discovery tools. Start by opening Discord and navigate to Settings on the left side. Then go to the option called Discover. From here, you can directly join any servers that you like. But if you want to search for specific Discord servers, go to the search bar and type your preferred servers. For example, if you want to join servers for PUBG Mobile, just type PUBG. As you can see, we have successfully found PUBG Discord servers. You can simply click on one to join. In this case, my phone has not been verified, but if your phone is verified, you can join directly. When joining servers, make sure to read their rules and guidelines to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. We just learned how to search for Discord servers using Discord's discovery feature. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos.